Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode we're going to be making this super tasty, super spicy smoked habanero hot sauce guaranteed to melt your face off. In a good way. First things first, let's go over the main ingredients. I've got 12 habaneros, 2 red bell peppers, a bulb of garlic, a quarter cup of chopped onions, and a peach. I start off by removing the stems from the habaneros. If you're a sissy, you'll probably want to use gloves for this. Next, I remove the stem and the seeds from the bell pepper, like so. Then I give these guys a good bath. This is my rocket stove. It's what I'm going to be smoking the peppers on. You could use any grill though, it doesn't really matter. I start off by making a hot fire. Okay, that's a little too hot. We'll just let that cool down for a moment. Alright, now that that's settled down and I've assured all my neighbors they don't have to call the fire department, we're ready to continue. I drop a damp piece of mesquite wood in there and we're ready to start smoking. I'm going to let these cook for about an hour, turning them occasionally. And yeah, those look great. So now I'm going to remove them from the grill as fast as humanly possible so I don't burn my fingers off. I also wanted to get my peach a little smoky, so I put that on the grill for about 10 minutes. I know there's a lot of ash, but whatever, I'll just blow that shit off. I added all my ingredients to a food processor, and now I'm going to add a little more than a tablespoon of Adobo seasoning, which is roughly 3% of the weight of my ingredients, and salt, because that's what the experts recommend, so why mess with it? I'm just eyeballing the water. It's about a half cup. Now I'll put the lid on securely. Yep, there we go, and we're ready to process this until it looks like this. Now I'll pour this in a frying pan. I'm also adding about a cup of white vinegar to mellow out the heat and lower the pH so it lasts a bit longer. I'll bring this to a simmer and just let this cook over medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to messily pour it into a food processor, making sure I spill a lot on my counter, and then process it again until, well, it looks like this. Now all I have left to do is funnel it into my delightfully cute yet somewhat tacky hot sauce bottle with the help of a chopstick. And about 1 hour later, there we go. Put my nifty little cap on. And voila, there's our finished hot sauce. Alright, I'm ready to give this a taste. I got a fresh tortilla here. The sauce looks really good. I'm excited. Oh, come on. You freaking kidding me? This is embarrassing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright, let's load it up. Put a lot on there. It's just hot sauce, right? Here we go. Alright, this is gonna be good. Break off a nice big piece here. Okay. Maybe we'll just start small. Okay, not bad. Alright, let's get a nice big bite here. Let's get a nice big. Oh. Oh. Hot. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, that is burning my face off. Oh. I gotta get some water with soy milk or something. Oh, 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 that was just hot coffee. Oh, damn it. Oh, 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 I'm gonna die. Cut it. Just cut the thing, man. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching that video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I was just joking around at the end. It's not that hot. It's hot. It is really hot, but it's not that hot. Don't be afraid of it. I'm probably going to drink a few warm glasses of it before I go to bed tonight. But anyways, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. And also, please don't forget to smash the out of that subscribe button. And also hit the little bell thing. Because why not do one more step? Right? How many steps you gotta do to follow somebody on YouTube these days? It's getting ridiculous. Alright, well, before I go, okay. Alright, you go now. Okay.